Yo, what's good, guys? We are back. It's finally Monday, past the weekend. We've done our self-reflecting on the charts. We've done our trade analysis from the past week. And now we're here to take on the markets once again. We have prepared ourselves. We've got our fists here. We're going to beat them up. Or they're going to beat us up. Who knows? And yeah, we're actually currently in an area right now. So let's go check it out on GU. So yeah, GU right now is currently in an area where I'm willing to sell at. If you guys have been keeping up for the past 2 days, when the market was open, price was pushing down just heavily because of news. And just because, prices have come sometimes. It is what it is. We're planning on honestly taking a sell here when price starts rejecting. If price doesn't reject here, still good, because price is showing us that this is not a valid entry, and the next area, depending on how long it will take for us to give us the entry signals to hop in, is increasing the probability for me personally. Anyway, guys, if you guys want to join in my journey, you guys hit the subscribe button and the like button and comment down below what you'll think the market's going to do tomorrow for the next day. It makes a higher high. I'm quickly close, but right now I'm gonna wait because it could just make a wick. So yeah, guys, we're in this trade currently right now. If price does push above here, we're probably just gonna cut it out because from London experience, if price makes a higher high, it's just gonna continue going up. Like if price tries to grab liquidity, it's not even grabbing liquidity, it's just pushing up. So we're just gonna get out early here. So we took an L right here, quick L. It is what it is. Price has decided to reach higher high instead of pushing to the downside. We kind of got faked out here, guys, as you can see. The reason why I entered this trade, guys, is because the monthly open price, there's 2 monthly open prices here, plus the liquidity. So I was thinking price is at least going to reject this area and push to the downside. Instead, price just decided just to say, fuck you, fake me out, and push to the upside, which is okay. Yeah, but we kind of did just lose $30 instead of 125. We are risking way less because it's Monday. We're not too good on Mondays, as we can see from our back testing. So we're just going to risk a whole lot less. But Fridays are our days, guys. Fridays are our days. We're going to wait for price to at least reach 26,320. And Raiden thinks at the 305 level, price going to have some reaction, which is around. What do you mean 305 level? Are you talking about where it is right now?
0.26305. It has not touched it yet.
It's like, I swear it has. Oh, so you're not using a window. So I don't know if which one's more accurate, so to speak. But yeah, okay. On a window, it's already touching it. So, yeah. But I think the area you're talking about is on a monthly open price. It's still valid as well. Yo, guys, we've taken some pretty big hits now. I ain't gonna lie. We took another entry in on here for a sell, and price decided to fake me out. And essentially, I cut my loss again, saved 3.5 pips. So from these 2 trades, I should have lost around $120. In the end, I only lost like $60 or $70. So we're saving a bit. We just have to hop into a good trade and manage it well. That's really it, guys. And this is probably gonna be our last area we're gonna take a trade in. And if price decides to disrespect us once more, we are going to call it quits. Yeah, guys, we have closed our stop loss a bit closer. We're probably just planning on just waiting a little longer to see what happens. Now, I'm making some eggs right now, so it's pretty chill. Price needs to break through this area for it to be pretty good. It needs to break structure. Yeah, remember, guys, when it did the exact same thing like this the other day? It did make a downtrend, so to speak, but it didn't break structure. We need price to break structure. Probably retest it will be nice. Continue down, at least to here. So we're just gonna see what happens. We have to give it some time, and yeah, that's really it. We also just want to hold it till at least the news comes. That's pretty cool. So we have next news at 12 a.m., but we probably just want to hold this till at least 11:30. 11:30 when everyone's open, like everyone's up, everyone's ready to trade. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and I'll catch you guys in a minute. Yo, guys, this is an update on the trade. We may be taking out soon. We may be holding, depending on what price does. We actually want price just to last for 17 more minutes. If it does, that's when everyone's on. Everyone's on a New York's in 17 minutes. That will really decide which way price is going to go. But if price decides to push to the upside, then we're fucked. It is what it is. This is going to be our 3rd trade. Price looks like it wants to push to the upside, but if you can see the 30 minutes, don't really go on the 30 minutes, but you can see it, the rejection. So we can see price actually liking this area, just rejecting this area, but it has not broken through the area that I want it to break through. So it's a bit of a problem. It's a bit of a hassle. And with this, we may essentially have to pull it quits, guys, because price looks like it wants to break through. I'm thinking price may just go for one more liquidity grab. I'm looking on the positive side, on some real shit. Okay, so price again, grab liquidity once again. It looks like it is rejecting this area a bit, but we just want price to push down. We want price to stop grabbing liquidity now, push to the downside, and just hold out for literally 15 more minutes. If price holds out for 15 more minutes, it's great things. But right now, I don't like how price is looking, because price is looking like it still wants to push to the upside, which it clearly did, made a bigger move. But we just want price to reject. If price rejects, it's looking a bit better. If price doesn't, then we're looking a bit tough on the 15. 15's a bit bigger than the 5 minute, meaning there's more so-called meaning, you could say. Yeah, we're just gonna hold, guys. We're just gonna hold this out. We're gonna see what happens. We expect price to grab liquidity multiple times. We just need price to break through on the downside instead of pushing up. If price does not push up no more, push to the downside right now, looking good, because we're expecting price to at least do. If price wants to take sweet time, boom, boom, boom. 11:30 comes, boom, breaks through. Beautiful. Right now, what price can also do is price can literally just go here, boom, 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 and then when 11:30 comes, boom. Right. We don't want 11:30 to be the main justifier, but if price can last till 11:30, we're in a good spot as well. For the sell, it's taking liquidity. It's 3rd time now, so we're expecting price literally just to either shoot up or push down. We want price to push down. We want price to break structure once more. But we are struggling right now, guys, because price doesn't want to break this solid area which I want it to break. This area right here, price is just being stubborn to break, which is annoying. But it has grabbed liquidity. If you guys can see it, if we literally circle this range box, price has grabbed the top twice, which we've seen once again. Or we can put it up here, and we can say that price has grabbed liquidity. So if price pushes it to the downside, we can clearly see that this is a range box, and it should be able to break out here sooner or later on the downside. Just see what price does. I like how price is rejecting. We'll just see what happens. And yeah, price is doing pretty good. We're just waiting for it to really just react, push down with some force. Which we love how price is pushing down now, but it's just a bit annoying how price be bitching sometimes. And now it's gonna wait, guys, and I'll tell you guys what happens later. Our stop loss got hit today, and we probably lost around $110 today, so it's a little bit, not too much, not as much as we used to. Just Monday just didn't want to come back down, which is okay, it happens sometimes. It was holding for a minute. As you can see, price was literally congesting when 11:30 hit, which is New York opens essentially. Happened, price shot up here. I didn't want to push through too much, and yeah. So now I think price is just going to break to the upside. We're just going to see what happens, and we are done for the day. We took 3 hours today, but it is what it is. We'll pop back tomorrow and see what happens. Peace.